Okay, here we go. Greens with Emmy Homestead. Sam's hard work at painting. This was the black room. Look what a difference she's made. What color is it?
Cashmere.
Cashmere. I love cashmere.
I'm just making it up. I don't know what it is. It's free. That's what it is.
Yeah, kind of a cream color. Still got some touch up to do in corners and stuff. Such a big difference though. This room is like 15 times brighter than what it was. He's already got the primer on it. So it's looking good. First coat primer in the bathroom. This is what this bedroom looked like yesterday. This was originally the master bedroom in the before the thing caught on fire. Doing a great job, honey. National Wild Turkey Federation. She's watching an artist at work.
You got enough motivational music.
Yep. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Hit the notification bell. Do your best. See you tomorrow.